Hello all. Let's start with a question which was asked in the NEET 2018, that is Z question paper, and question number 3 it was physics section. So the question was, just read the question. A pendulum is hung from the roof of a sufficiently high building and is moving freely to and fro like a simple harmonic oscillator. The acceleration of the bob of the pendulum is 20 meter per second square at a distance of 5 meter per from mean position, and you have been asked the time period of that oscillation. So the values which will help you for the calculation are this. That is the acceleration, how much it is, 20 meter per second square, and at a distance of what? At a distance of 5 meter. So these two values are enough to solve the question. So if you consider this, so there is a pendulum, and see, this is in mean position. Now this is given at a 5 meter from mean position. So we don't know whether this pendulum is on this side or at this side. Let us consider on any of the side. We are considering here. So this distance is 5 meter, and at this position the acceleration given is 20 meter per second square. Now for any simple harmonic motion, the magnitude of acceleration is nothing but the mod value of minus omega square x. We are taking mod value because finally we have to find the time period. So the acceleration here, what's the acceleration they have given? 20. Now minus, we don't know this angular frequency omega. What is x? What's x here? X here, it's 5. So into 5. So finally this is nothing but 20 by 5 equal to omega square. So omega equal to 4. Omega square equal to 4. So since you have got omega square equal to 4, that is nothing but omega is equal to 2. Now time period is nothing but t is equal to 2 pi by omega. See, they have asked time period. So time period of oscillation is given by t is equal to 2 pi by omega. That is 2 pi upon, what's your omega value? The omega value we have got is 2. So 2 to cancel. So time is nothing but pi seconds. So the actual answer is a second option. I hope you are clear. So the basic overview was that for any of the oscillation of this simple pendulum, the acceleration is given by acceleration is equal to mod of minus omega square x. From that we found omega, and from omega we found the value of time period. So that's it.